So in this example, let's do the exact same thing we've been doing, lining up the place value. So that's 920,000. Nope. That's 92,000 decimal 1 minus decimal 2. So as you can see, we're going to have quite a few things to ask our neighbor for, because if you have 1 pound, you can't take away 2 pounds. So let's borrow. Uh-oh, that has none, that has none, that has none. So we're going to have to go way over here to the 2. Knock it down and borrow a 1, meaning this 10 becomes a 9, and this 10 also becomes a 9, and that 10 becomes a 9 to make this 1 into an 11. And we did that by borrowing from each place value above it, as you could see in the previous 2 examples. So therefore 11 minus 2 would equal 0.9, and that's 99919. Or 92,000.1 minus 0.2 will equal 91,999.9.